Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily enable or disable animations for WhatsApp stickers and emojis on your iPhone and Android device. WhatsApp animated stickers and emojis make chats more fun and expressive. However, some users may want to disable animations to save data, battery, or reduce distractions. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch WhatsApp on your device, and then you have to tap on the settings icon located at the bottom. It's worth pointing out that if you're using an Android device, just tap on the triple dot icon located at the top right and then choose the settings option in the drop-down menu. After that, you have to choose the chats option to proceed. Then you have to select the animations option. And finally, you can enable or disable the specific toggle for emoji, stickers, and GIFs depending on your needs. For instance, if you want to animate only stickers, you can do that. Or if you want to animate only the fun-loving GIFs, you have the desired control over it. And that's pretty much it. Animated stickers and emojis can make your conversations more lively, but they also consume extra battery and mobile data in the background. If you are trying to extend your phone's battery life or want a distraction-free chatting experience, disabling animations is a smart choice. On the other hand, enabling them adds fun and personality to your messages when you don't mind the extra power uses. WhatsApp gives you full control, so you can switch between animated and static content anytime based on your needs. So choose what works best for your device and enjoy a smoother, more personalized chat experience. And I'll catch you in the next one.